Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel, and today is episode 2 of the Project Showcase Season 2, so Season 2 Episode 2, and as the title probably spoilers it already, I did something. I cut up the second parking lot mat that I had ordered about a month or 2 or even 3 months ago. I've cut it up and I didn't quite finish cutting yet, and this is the first layout of what I thought. I'm probably gonna cut up this one of these two and put a single parking spot over here and then some over here and then the other over here, or yeah, I'm gonna work this out in this episode, and we are gonna move some cars back into this and this spot. This spot still needs cleaning up, as you can perfectly see, but that's not the worry for today. I'm probably gonna do this off cam because I don't think it's worth watching a video just for this or making a video just for this. I'm probably gonna make a video of the new layout, but that's it. So this layer we are gonna move in, this layer we are gonna move in, and in this layer we are gonna set up these parking spots and move some cars back in as well. We still have to put in this Fast and Furious 10 pack and this Fast and Furious 5 pack and many cars. And yeah, before we finally start after 2 minutes of introduction, the next video is a very important one, because this week, as I'm making this video, a couple of days ago I came across a weird listing for an Arrow Matchbox car, and it has a pretty interesting story to it because it had also a plot twist which I personally actually didn't see coming. And yeah, might wanna subscribe to my channel for that episode. I'm working on it because this is one of the most important things to talk about me when it comes to collecting diecasts and spreading awareness about it. But yeah, let's get finally started with these showcase things. I think, these hold the glass which protects all of this stuff originally. I don't have it right now, so I have these screwed in from the bottom, and I moved them pretty much on the wood so they don't stand out and I don't hit myself on it, for example. I hope I can extend it, because then I maybe can like make you stationary. Ooh, this one. Does this even work? Oh, nope. My phone's too thick for this, so yeah, I sadly gonna have to make a cut over here, because for the scissors I need 2 hands, one to cut and one to hold. And yeah, I'll see you again in a second. Okay, and with this we are done with cutting. This one I kept as it is. I only made the edges a bit more softer. And yeah, over here I'm probably gonna park something big which is too big for the parking spaces. These ones are I chosen this place for them. This one I don't know what to do with it. I'm gonna keep it for now. And then we have over here, maybe I'm gonna remove that one in the back as well, but these 4 over here are gonna stay for sure. Maybe I moved him a bit like this, and that one over there may be removed as well. I think I'm gonna remove it. So yeah, now we can move cars back into the place. See ya in a second. Why do I say see ya? The video isn't over yet. Okay, for this shot or for this scene now, I have actually turned on the lights in the showcase, and here you can see the big parking space on the left. On the back we have the Mini GT Advan livery Nissan Silvia S15 or Super Select Nissan Silvia S15, I think. And here we have the Advent diorama set, all the cars, the Fleet Street, I think it was, and then the Porsche 962, Nissan 2000 GTR, and the Toyota TRD MR2 TDR. Why don't I? MR2 TDR 2000 GT. Maybe I should look at it in the next time. Here we have the Liberty Walk Nissan Skyline. I think LBER34. LBER34 Super Solid Nissan Skyline, or the, as I like to say it in short, Nissan Skyline R34 Liberty Walk Edition. Here we have my Paganis, among them the Matchbox Collector's Edition Pagani Huayra Roadster and the Mini GT version of the Pagani Huayra Roadster. And this is what it looks like from a bit far back. In this one, in the darkest part of the entire showcase, on this layer actually, we have the Lamborghini Veneno, the Dodge Challenger drift car, the Ford Shelby GR1 Concept, and the Aston Martin Valhalla. Yes, Aston Martin Valhalla. But this is actually the concept version of it, so it should be technically named Aston Martin Valhalla Concept and not Valhalla. And good, it's good. But that's just complaining on a high level. And here we have the Matchbox Porsche 918 Spider, Hot Wheels Premium 2-pack Porsche. This Porsche 993 and the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4, I think. And here we have the Mercedes AMG GT3 Team Transport with the truck in the background. And yeah, now we have this big space over here free. And for this I actually have two new interesting arrivals, which I actually found a couple of days in stores. The Porsche 911 Rally Recolor in dark green, and the new for 2025 McLaren W1. And for the Porsche 911 Rally, I actually have the 2024 release first edition, and I like the blue one really much, but the green one is up there as well. Two great recolors. Love to see it as a Super Treasure Hunt. This is obviously not the Super Treasure Hunt, but yeah, still really nice cars. I think I'm gonna leave them corded for now like this or something like that, because I need them for a later video, to be exact for the Collector's Beginner's Guide Part 2, which I'm gonna finally do after like 2 weeks, I think. And yeah, subscribe to see these two cars in that video again. I'm probably gonna unbox these two cars in that video. But now let's get finally to these two layers. And yeah, we have a ton of cars to collect. Even from this layer I have like 4, 8, 10, like 11 cars, among them a Majorette Porsche Team Transport, or what they call Transport, I guess, Majorette, yeah, which I need to fit. I didn't want to put it in here, over here, because it would kind of ruin the mood with the trucks in the background. So yeah, see ya in a minute. Okay, and with this, when my camera finally decides to wait, if my camera decides to focus properly, you can see all of the cars properly. Over here is, as I said, the Fast and Furious stage again. I try to keep all of the boxes out, which makes it look a tiny bit nicer in my opinion. And yeah, with this we have 6 of 7 layers complete. Only thing left is this layer, but this is I'm gonna do off camera, as I said, or I'm gonna keep it at, yeah, maybe I'm gonna make it in the next video, who knows, probably off camera, but yeah. And with this, we are already at the end of today's video. If you stayed until the end, at first, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know about the layout of these parking spaces. What would you do it the same? Would you do it a little bit different? And if yes, what would you change? And then I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, because it helps me out a lot. And then we see each other in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.